One day, the teacher walked into her class and handed everyone an apple. After a few minutes, she asked everyone to eat the apple in a place where no one could see them. Some of the students left the classroom and hid outside. Others went under their desk. Some stood in the hallway. Everyone in the class started eating their apple, except one boy. His name was Hassan. The teacher asked Hassan why he hadn't eaten his apple. Hassan replied, "I couldn't find a place where Allah could not see me." The teacher became very happy with Hassan and told the rest of the class that no matter where we go or where we hide, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will always know what we do. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala knows everything that happens in the world. Allah knows what people do in private, and He knows the secrets they have in their heart. He knows everything that we do. In Arabic, this name is Al-Alim, which means Allah knows everything.